Storing data on a network-attached storage device is convenient, but keeping unauthorized users away from sensitive folders requires robust security. Folder encryption gives you granular, folder-level privacy protected by AES 256-bit encryption. Today, I'll walk you through how it works, how to enable it, and how to manage your encryption keys safely. To set up an encrypted folder, open the Files app on your NAS and click the plus icon to create a new shared folder now. Enter a folder name, then select the storage volume where you want it to live. If you want to set a storage limit for this folder, check the Volume Usage Limit box and enter your desired maximum size. Next, toggle on the Encrypt Folder option to enable AES 256-bit encryption. A new window will pop up asking you to create a key. Enter a password that is at least 6 characters long, then confirm it. Please keep in mind, if you forget your password or lose your key file, your data cannot be recovered. There is no way to restore it. Also, note that enabling encryption may slightly impact read and write performance. Click Save. A window will open prompting you to save the encryption key file directly to your PC. Choose a safe location on your computer to store this key. Next, select which users should have access to the folder, then click Confirm. That's it. Your encrypted folder is created. To lock or unlock your folder at any time, go to Management and select Shared Folder Management. Here, you'll see all your shared folders. Encrypted folders feature a lock icon next to them. Click the 3 dots under Actions and select Unmount to unlock the folder, or Mount to lock it. When unlocking the folder, simply enter your key password or import the encrypted key file you saved earlier. And that's it. Your data is secure and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on screen for more tutorials and tips to get the most out of your UGREEN NAS.